Want a professional Shopify store with a personalized touch? Today, I'll show you how to edit the footer in the Dawn theme, making it informative and uniquely yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start from your Shopify homepage and click Online Store in the left-hand menu. Then click Customize. This opens the theme editor with the live preview of your store. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select Footer. This section often includes contact details, social media links, and quick links to important pages. Here you can add messages, update business hours, and link your social media icons to your latest profiles. Take your time to make it clean, organized, and aligned with your brand. A well-crafted footer not only informs your customers but also strengthens your store's identity. Once your edits are complete, click Save to apply changes to your live store. Any unsaved changes won't be visible, so don't skip this step. And that's it. You've now successfully edited the footer in the Shopify Dawn theme. Your store looks more professional, navigable, and uniquely branded.